Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. And if you're new here, welcome and thank you for stopping by. I would love for you to join my family here on YouTube, so go ahead and hit that red subscribe button. In today's video, I'll be cleaning and rearranging my bedroom. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first I'm going to start by taking the sheets off my bed, and then I'm going to move into my bathroom and take up the rug and take down my shower curtain so I can get all that stuff in the washing machine so it can be washing while I'm cleaning.
And get out of my face. I can't grow, I can't bloom. So get out of my face. Or would you give me some air? Try to be more aware of what I need. You don't know what I need, yeah. One mistake, till we break. One more night, one more fight. Sleep it off, then we play it safe. We hide away inside our cage. One mistake, till we break. One more night, one more fight. Sleep it off, then we play it safe. We hide away inside our cage. Can't help the way that I'm feeling when I'm with you. You are weighing me down. Ay, can't have the rhythm, it's making me no good. And I don't like the sound. Could you please make some room and get out of my face? I can't grow, I can't bloom, so get out of my face. Oh, would you give me some man? Try to be more aware of what I need. You don't know what I need. One mistake, till we break. One more night, one more fight. Sleep it off, then we play it safe. We hide away inside our cage. One mistake, till we break. One more night, one more fight. Sleep it off, then we play it safe. We hide away inside our cage. Yeah, yeah. Inside our cage.
So now that I've got those things in the wash, I'm going to go ahead and get started on my bathroom.
One more night, one mistake, till we break. And I just can't be broken down, but I'm smiling. I keep my head up high, though I fail. Sometimes I get a bit emotional, but then I turn around and let it go. I see you watching me from a distance. I see you can't decide what to feel. But if you dig a little deeper, boy, you know you really wanna get to know me. Let's get this out of the way. I can't wait another day to tell you you shouldn't wait. Don't be so afraid. Yeah, I'm a bit too much, but I'm finding games. When I'm acting tough, I just wanna play. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it. Baby, I'm all yours. Come and get it, 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 come and get it. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it. Baby, I'm all yours. Jump on my roller coaster and hold tight. It won't be easy, but it'll be fun. Sometimes it goes the whole way up and down. I think you're ready now to leave the ground. Get in the fast lane, babe, you can make it. I promise I'll be there all the way. And if you get a little broken down, all that you gotta do is keep your head high. Let's get this out of the way. I can't wait another day to tell you you shouldn't wait. Don't be so afraid. Yeah,
So now I'm done cleaning my bathroom and I'm gonna move into my bedroom. My sheets were done and I wanted to get my bed made, and I also wanted to dust my nightstands before I started to rearrange anything.
Let's see what you can do. You think you're so damn smooth. You better think this through. So let's see what you can do. I know them all the signs. I'm a grown woman now. I don't like to waste my time, no. So don't try me one more time, yeah, yeah. I know you're disappointed that I'm counting.
So now I'm going to take everything off of the dresser, and then we're going to take the mirror down because my husband is going to mount the TV on the wall. And so here my husband is trying to find a stud in the wall so that he can mark where to begin drilling first. And now that he's done with the TV, I'm going to vacuum and dust, and then I'm going to wipe the TV down. So I'm going to move this TV stand into the family room because I'll be putting our chairs in its place. And then this TV stand here, I haven't exactly made up my mind as to what I'm going to do with it. But the one that was in my bedroom was here previously. So I'm just going to put it back, and then I'll figure out later what I'm going to do with the other one. So now I'm going to sweep and vacuum this area before I put the chairs here. I wanted to create a sitting area for us that was away from our bed, and also to give us more room to move around. And I figured if we mounted the TV on the wall, that would free up the space we needed for the chairs. Okay, y'all, so here's the finished product. At first I was a little iffy on how everything turned out, but now I am loving it. Putting the TV on the wall was a great idea. My room feels so much more open and airy and cozy at the same time. And what's even better is that the TV is on a swivel mount, so we can turn it towards the sitting area, or we can turn it so that we can watch TV while lying in bed. Y'all let me know in the comments what you think about my new sitting area.
I don't wanna push you farther away, no, I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, I don't wanna push you farther away, no, I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, are you down for love? Are you up for someone to be together, be together? Babe, I want your love. I'll be the one you trust. You're all that matters, all that matters. I got feelings about you. Oh yeah, butterflies every time I'm with you. Oh yeah, I don't wanna push you farther away.
Okay, y'all, so we've come to the end of this video, but I wanted to give y'all a quick update on what my front porch looks like. I did add the buffalo check rug, and I layered it with the Hello rug. I got the buffalo check rug from Amazon, and I'll try to link that down below for you guys. And I purchased that the Hello rug from Walmart, and I got that for $11.99, and I'll link that in the description box as well. Thank y'all for hanging out with me. Don't forget to click that bell so you never miss an upload. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one.